Okay, wait. Let's restart that. In this video, I will show how to install this aimbot. It's called PG3D Predator. This is a completely external aimbot. It uses AI to detect players in the game. It does not inject any code and it's completely undetectable. I'll show you how to install it. So once you've made it into the first link in the description, you want to go to the verified channel and you want to verify. Once you have verified, navigate to free model. This model is completely free. Click on the link. This model is free, although a paid model, I meant a paid model works much better, although it costs $3. But I think it works. But basically, just follow what I'm doing on the video, and eventually you'll go to the final checkpoint, which will lead you to this media file. Install it, close off all the ads, and you just want to drag and drop this onto your desktop. Once you've installed the model, navigate to Aimmy's server, link in the description, go to readme and install it. This will basically run the model. It has like a GUI, it works very nice. You want to extract all of it. Once you've extracted all of it, go to bins, go to model, and drag and drop the model into this. You should be able to successfully open up Aimmy. If this happens, click more info, run anyways, brings up this command prompt, and it opens up Aimmy. Select your model, should be called PG3D V5, and you'll be ready. If you have a problem, you want to go to Python, and you want to install Python as path. This will also be linked in the description. Once you have downloaded the installer, you want to run the installer. This is very important. Make sure to add it to path. But then once you've added the path, just click install now. I'm canceling in the video because I already have it, but it was just installed successfully. And then you'll be able to run the application. I apologize for my English in this video. My pronunciation is just not the best, but that's my fault. Like, my English is just not Englishing, but I can't be fucked to make an outro, so we're just gonna listen to a little bit of music and then the video's gonna end.